Hello friends, this is rasam or soup for fever, cough, cold, sore throat and immunity. We need tamarind, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, peppercorns, red chili, cumin seed, yellow dal, coriander seeds. Everything has to be blended in the jar with 1 cup of water. After that, add another cup of water and boil it nicely, adding salt as required. After it boils, in a pan, add 2 teaspoon ghee or oil, add mustard seeds and curry leaves and pour it on top of the rasam. Now our rasam is ready.